Lazy Granite is a lower cost and more practical alternative to slab granite countertops. Using our products, you can use two methods to cover your countertop. The first are these 18-inch wide by 21-inch deep tiles with a 3-inch bullnose. The 3-inch bullnose plus the 21-inch deep tile will cover a standard 24-inch deep kitchen cabinet and hang over the front by 1 inch. The second method uses lazy tiles. This is the same idea as the big tile and bullnose separately, only there's one piece running the full depth of the kitchen counter. Now this has three main benefits. The first, you eliminate this long grout line. The second is it's easier to install because you have fewer leveling points. The third is that you have better color consistency because there are fewer pieces. However, the lazy tiles have one disadvantage to the big tile and bullnose being separate, and that is it's about 20% more expensive. The bullnose and big tile separately can also be more efficient when you have peninsulas or islands with less than 42 inches in one dimension. For exposed ends of cabinets, we have these long outside corners. Our right outside corner, just like this, will cap off the right side of a cabinet as you face it, and vice versa for a left side. These have a very nice rounded edge here. Folks with kids and grandkids will really appreciate that. It's not like those sharp edges on 12 by 12 granite tile tops. For Backsplash, we have this really simple solution. It's these 4 by 24 inch pieces with an OG profile at the top. Now, the great thing about these is you cut them to length and you just paste it to the wall. They're low enough to fit under most windowsills. They're low enough to go under most electrical outlets. So the idea is you paste it on the wall and it's always going to look good. Very simple and professional every time. Dealing with kitchen sinks is quite easy. You can start a tile to the left side of the sink and to the right side of the sink. Fill in the front with some bullnose. Depending on the size of the sink, you'll have a couple of inches left in the back. You can use scrap from other places in the project or get a spare 18 by 21 inch tile and cut it into strips. Now, a more professional and complete solution is our undermount sink kit. These are two lazy tiles already cut, polished, and profiled into the shape of our most popular sink. Now, this sink is 16 gauge stainless steel that's both insulated and padded. There are numerous ways you can handle an inside corner. If you're using lazy tiles, you can miter cut just the bullnose at a 45-degree angle, and you're going to be left with a space that can be filled with one of our 24 by 24 inch tiles. If 24 by 24 inch tile isn't available, you can miter cut a bit deeper and cut an 18 by 21 inch tile to fill an 18 by 18 inch space. If you're using the 18 by 21 inch tiles and the bullnose separately, you can miter cut the bullnose at a 45-degree angle and just keep running the 18 by 21 inch tile all the way to the wall. Now, if you want to avoid the miter cut entirely, we've got these prefab inside corners available in some colors, and with these you won't have to make any 45-degree angle cuts. Over half of our customers are do-it-yourselfers with zero tiling experience. While there is some learning curve, as the name would suggest, Lazy Granite is the easiest way you can finish a granite kitchen countertop. A typical kitchen is a weekend project. Ordering with us is simple. Most of our inventory can be picked up from our main Denver warehouse. Whatever you don't use, you can return for a refund within a couple of weeks. If you need help calculating how much stone you need, click on Estimate My Countertops. You can bring in a diagram with you, or you can email it to us beforehand. Bath&Granite4Less, that means more for less.